Now first things first, always use a spatula or scraper to remove any food residue from the wooden cutting board prior to washing. Now when it comes to washing, add a few drops of dish soap to your chopping board and use a scrub brush or sponge to give it a good scrub, and pay attention to the grooves on the board. Now some important information: never allow your wooden board to sit in water to soak. Now once done, rinse the board to remove all the dish soap, then dry with a cloth or a paper towel. Now always try to disinfect your wooden cutting board after every use by using a disinfectant that's suitable for wooden kitchen accessories, or by keeping a spray bottle of 1 part water and 1 part vinegar, or you can use a 3% hydrogen peroxide. Today I'm going to be using the 1 part white vinegar and 1 part water. Now I'm just spraying my wooden chopping board and I'm going to leave for 3 minutes. Then spray the other side, rinse and leave to air dry by standing upright. And at least monthly or after working with raw meats like chicken, fish and other meats, your wooden cutting board should be thoroughly disinfected with chlorine bleach and water as a mixed solution. So all you need is to mix 1 teaspoon of bleach in 1/4 litre of water, and just pour half of the solution over one side of the board, and repeat the steps again on the other side of the board. Give the board a good rinse and then allow it to air dry standing upright. Keep your wooden chopping board well maintained and prevent it from drying out. Apply a food grade mineral oil. Pour on a generous amount and using a clean cloth, rub the oil into the board, making sure to cover all surfaces. Allow the oil to soak into the wood for a few hours or overnight. Now the oil acts as a protective barrier and will help maintain the board's moisture content. Now remember to repeat this oiling process every few weeks or whenever the board starts to look dull or dry. Now remember, it's essential to keep separate cutting boards for raw meat, fruit, vegetables and other foods to avoid cross-contamination. Now for more video on home cleaning tips, check out the next video coming up.